Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Hello. Today I am excited to guide you through drawing a purse design from start to finish. This is perfect if you are looking to create a unique and stylish purse design. So grab your paper and pencil and let's get started. First, let's begin by sketching the basic outline of the purse. Start by drawing a rectangle or square shape. This will serve as the main body of the purse. Keep your lines light and loose so you can easily adjust as we go along. Next, we are going to add a bite to style to the shape by rounding the edges and creating a curve on the bottom for a softer look. Now think about the flap or closer. Draw a smaller rectangle or half circle on the top edge to represent this part. This can be as simple or decorative as you like. Now let's add some scrap. For a handheld purse, draw two curved lines coming from the top connected on either side. Or if you want a crossbody purse, draw a long line from the top